Hey folks, another S Group daily review video. This is video number, what did I say it was going to be? 144 here today. So yeah, I haven't made a video in about a week or so, guys. The system has actually been down for about 3-4 days over the weekend. They've been doing a lot of updates. So yeah, we're back in. We're able to log back in. During those updates, though, over Thursday and Friday, because it went down Thursday, I think it was. We did make our earnings Thursday, Friday, and then we also made earnings yesterday, which was Monday. Today is Tuesday, so I'll show you the earnings for Monday, guys. There we go. We got our bot report here. This is something they changed as well. The bot reports are coming a lot quicker. 0.37%, so I made $82.12 on my investment. So if I go check my current investment here, guys, I've made $1,225.01, and that is in, let's see, 27 days have passed, as you see in my investments here, guys. So yeah, like I've been saying in my other videos, guys, just think having your money in the bank or an investment somewhere else. Do you think you're actually going to make $1,225.01 in 27 days? Probably not. So definitely a great system to be involved in, guys. This weekend is going to be another eventful one here. I have, as you can see here, my two investments. They're going to be expiring. Let's see here. Actually, no, sorry, it doesn't say there. It says here. That's the maintenance fee, sorry. So it says balance transfer date, June 16th. So June 16th, today's June 13th. So that's by Friday, guys. The monthly earnings that you see here, which is this section and this section, which adds up to so far $1,225.01. That's going to be taken up to the top right, which I'm scrolling up to right here, where it says $50.03. It's going to be shoved up there, and when it's up there, as you've seen in my previous video, guys, it's going to be available for withdrawal, reinvestment, that type of thing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take, so right now my principal is $26,600. I'm going to take 600, maybe 800, throw it back in here, so it'll be 27,200 or 27,400, something like that. Depends on how much money I get in the next 4 days. If we have a good run of 4 days like we did yesterday, guys, you know, making like $80. I mean, just think I can have, that's like an extra maybe like $300 on top of this. So I have about, I mean, with commission, I'm supposed to get some more commission. So I'll have about maybe 1,600 in here if we have a good string of 4 days coming up. So I'm hoping for that. And yeah, guys, I mean, I was projecting things. I should be, because we're in June, by September I should be at 30,000 here, guys. They also open up some other areas of S Group as well. S Forex Optimal. So this is like a medium tier. So S Forex is the basic tier. It's extremely low risk and a decent reward. S Forex Optimal is like medium risk, higher reward, and S Forex Pro is high optimal risk, optimal reward, I would have to say. So I might eventually start getting into the X4X Optimal, guys. I was looking into it. As you can see here, the minimum investment is $2,000. So I might get a situation where, like, once I get up in the system and I make about 2-3 grand in a month or every 2 weeks, I could take that and throw it in here and then start having this generate money for me, you see. And then when I get to even more money, I can get into the S4X Pro. And with this, the minimum investment is $5,000, so I can throw money in here. And as you can see, guys, I can have all these three running, just making money for me all the time. So these are the opportunities. As you see, this company definitely has opened up some more areas to make money. So if you guys want to be a part of this, you know, click on the sign up link down below my video. You know, that we can join S Group. You could see the back office. You can invest, start making some passive income, guys, like myself here. I have so far made $26,729.78 since October of 2020 by just leaving my money in there. Join the money as time goes on as well. And yeah, don't forget to click on the subscribe button at the bottom of my video. Maybe you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and see all my video updates and progress, guys. So yeah, that ends my 5-minute daily review video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next one.